Germany's economy is stuck in the mud, a lot like its auto industry. Our October global market perspective drives the point home. On August 12th, Bloomberg reported that the German economy will barely grow at all this year. The downbeat assessment came after the data showed that the country's industrial woes continued to hold back growth, causing Europe's biggest economy to unexpectedly shrink in the 3 months through June. Despite Germany's shrinkage, economists forecast 1.1% growth for 2025 and expect continuous expansion through 2026. Industrial activity, meanwhile, is expected to slowly improve. The optimism is clearly a function of stock's new all-time high because innumerable signs point to an economic downturn that will be anything but a soft landing that economists anticipate. Take Volkswagen's impending factory closures, for instance. In September, CFO David Powell acknowledged that 2 production plants are on the chopping block, while noting that the car demand has yet to even recover from the pandemic. However, this chart shows the situation is far worse than just a pandemic-induced drop in demand. The gray lines represent monthly new car registrations in Germany since the 1970s, while the blue line depicts a 50-period moving average. Car demand reached its all-time high in April 2000, nearly 25 years ago, and the pre-COVID peak was actually just a weak counter-trend bounce that quickly succumbed to new lows. The swiftness of Germany's economic breakdown cannot be explained by COVID-19 alone. For instance, Volkswagen last closed a major factory when it shuttered an assembly plant near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in 1988. That was more than 35 years ago. In Germany, the company has never closed a plant in its 87-year history. In Europe, Germany is hardly the only major economy experiencing woes. If you want to stay on top of the financial and social trends and opportunities of 50-plus global markets, consider subscribing to our Global Market Perspective. It's unlike any financial newsletter out there with over 50 pages of charts and analysis. You can find a link for that in the description of this video.